Today we are at the Naval Museum in Pensacola, Florida, and just walked in the front door. This is free, which is amazing, and we've just scratched the surface here. You could spend a whole day here checking out all the aircraft and history. There's an outdoor section that we will get to as well, but these aircraft are just spectacular, dating all the way back to the first flight by Kitty Hawk. So what you're looking at here are the wings of this massive airplane, which was the first airplane to make a transatlantic crossing of the Atlantic Ocean from New York to Europe. It is just massive. The tail is way back here, and I don't know what the wingspan is, but it is huge. And we're looking at the yellow. That's the wingspan of the, here you go. This will give you a little bit better view of it. Here's the body, and then it had 3 engines. 1 in the back and then 2 facing forward in the front. Check out the size of these bombs. And then these are guns. Wow. And this is where the Blue Angels are based and practice out of. So of course they have a beautiful Blue Angel display here, depicting them in the air as they fly in formation. Pretty amazing. Look how close they fly together. What a cool museum. It's just spectacular. You could spend easily an entire day in here and take it all in. There's so much information at each airplane, each aircraft. The different aircraft carriers are all depicted here, and they're just there's just so much information to absorb. It's really, really cool. So this is a hangar, another hangar area outside of the main building that is just, again, depicting and showcasing just spectacular aircraft. So this is the interior of Marine One presidential helicopter. And they're showing the controls.